Hey guys, welcome back to Atlas QA. So lately there's been a lot of buzz about Vibium, a tool many software testers are excited about. But since we still don't know much about it, I decided to take what little information we do have and build my own prototype, just to explore how this tool may look like in the future. So this is what Vibium promises and what we will use for our prototype. Natural language test input. That means we will not use code, but we will use English. Self-healing locators. That means if one locator breaks, the tool tries another one automatically. Model-based testing graph. A map of pages and actions in the app to help the tool navigate through the application. Path recovery and workarounds. If one path fails, he must find another way and warn the tester. Transparent logs. Show what happens and why with clear details. When you lived in a city long enough, you naturally learn the roads and shortcuts. Even if one street is closed for construction, for example, you can still find another way to reach your destination. That's exactly what a model based graph does for testing. It gives our tool a map of the web application so it can always find its way and navigate smoothly. Now let us create the model based graph for this web application. My website, Atlas QA. On the site there are several pages. The home page, the about us page, the articles page where you can find software testing articles, and the web elements page where you can try out your own test automation scripts. In a model based graph, each of these pages represents a state. The buttons or links that take us from one page to another represent the transitions between those states. If we represent the model-based graph of only the home page, it will look like this. From the home page, the About Us button takes us to the About Us page. The Web Elements button takes us to the Web Elements page. And there is also a LinkedIn icon, which takes us directly to the Atlas QA LinkedIn page. I don't know how exactly the Vibium team creates their model-based graph, but in my case, I use a simple Python script to explore the application. The script discovers all possible states and transitions and then generates the model-based graph. For the Atlas QA web application, the graph looks like this. Yes, the graph may look messy, but our tool understands it, and that's what matters. With this graph, we can navigate through the entire application. And the file where the graph is stored, you will see both the states and the transitions. For example, to move from home to About Us page, there is a transition called About Us. You can also see that the locator for the About Us button is stored, including its XPath, CSS selector, and text. Now for the natural language test input. I decided to use Ulama, installed locally with lightweight model to get fast feedback. The only thing the model needs to do is to return a simple Python list of the states, basically the roadmap of which path to take. Let me show you a few examples. So now why we need those the output of the model? We need it to find the path through our web application. So now I have a script, Python script that will take the Python list that he got from the model. So now let's see what's next. So now let's say we wanted to go from about us page. We always go from the home page. That is the starting point. So let's go to about us page. And from about us page, let's say we click link it in. Okay, let's see what happened now. Okay, so now you can see that our program is looking for the path to execute. So the starting point is always green, which is home, and the destination is in red. So from home he went to about us. We cannot see the line here or the edge between home and about us, but it is there. And from about us he went to LinkedIn page. And the red edge means that's the correct path, because we will see other paths in just in a minute. Okay, and also you can go to the logs here and see what happened. So this is the steps that he went through. So from home he went through about us action or transition, which has this XPath and CSS and text, to the About Us page. And from the About Us page, he go through this action or transition, which has this XPath, which is called Connect with Me on LinkedIn, to go to the page in LinkedIn. So you can see here, even if I give him only LinkedIn, he know the right page that he should go to, which is Connect with Me on LinkedIn. Okay, so let's try another path just to be sure. So now let's say from home page go to articles page and click the article, for example, what is software testing. Okay, we can see that now we have another path. From home he went to articles, then from articles he went to the page what is software testing. So that's great, everything is working fine. We can also check the logs and see, yes, from home he clicked the button articles to go to the article page, and from article page he clicked the button what is software testing to go to the page what is software testing. That is great. So now let's try to give him a page that doesn't exist. For example, I will tell him go to articles page, then click videos. So we don't have a page called videos, so we will see what happened. Okay, you can see here that he went from home to articles and he stopped, as articles is the destination. So he didn't. So now let's check the log and see. You can see here that he gave us an error saying that action videos could not be reached from articles. This is great, this is what we wanted. So he cannot do it. So he went just from home to articles. Great. So now let's try not to give him the let's give him a wrong path and see if he can find alternative to go to the destination with the wrong path. So let's say go to about us page, and now I will tell him to open an article, but we know that articles are in articles page, not in about us page. So let's open one article. Let's call it what is integration testing and see what happened now. Okay. Oh, so you see, he went from home to about us, but here you can see that the edges color has changed. From home about us is always red, which is correct. That means he's in the correct path. But from about us page here, he changed the color of the edge, which means he found an alternative path because he couldn't find what is integration testing page from about us page. So he went from about us page to articles. They also have between them a yellow edge, and from articles he went to what is integration testing. So he found an alternative path, and that's what we were looking for. Even if we gave him the wrong path, he found the right path by himself to went to the destination. Okay, so let's check also the log and see what we have in the logs. So here you can see we have a warning, no direct edge from action, what is integration testing from about us. That's correct. We didn't found from about us. He didn't found a road to what is integration testing. So he did a workaround path. So he went from about us page to articles page, then to what is integration testing page. And then here he went through the steps, what is about us, from home to about us, from about us to article, then from article to what is integration testing. Yeah, we can see that our software is working correctly.
Now we arrive to the last step of our tool is to execute the path that we created. So for my tool, I didn't use WebDriver by D, I used Playwright. So now the last step, using also a Python script, I will execute it now. What this Python script will take is also the Python list created by the model. So I will give it, for example, go to about us. After that, click link it, get in. Let's see. He clicked about us and he went to LinkedIn. Great work. Okay, so we will see what happened in the log. So he clicked about us using this expat. After that, he clicked connect with me in LinkedIn using this expat. So this is great. He did great. So now let's try another one. Just let's to be sure. Go to articles. Then what is software testing? Let's do it. Okay, he went to articles and I added some sleep time and he went to what is software testing. Great job. Okay, now you can see that he's using always the expat. So let's give it our own expat and see what happened. So what I will go to the graph file where he has the expats. So I don't want to change in my web application, so I will just change the expats here in the graph file. So for articles, I will go here to the expat and I will give it, for example, here 100. I don't think he will find this expat. And we will try again the same road. Go to article. After that, go to what is software testing. He did it. Why he did it? Did he heal himself? No, it's because I didn't try from the start. That's stupid. Sorry. Okay, so now let's try it again. Go to article, then what is software testing? Okay, he didn't click anything. Oh, because we changed article, so he's blocked. He's trying to click the expat, but he cannot find it. So he has some waiting time, I think 5 seconds, but he took longer. So what is, oh, he clicked article. Great. Then he clicked what is software testing. Oh, so he executed the path. Let's see what happened in the log. Okay, so here we have a warning. The locator failed for article after I didn't give it all this time. Okay, it doesn't matter. He waited for it, but he didn't find it. So he used a healing method and he clicked the article by text. Great. Then he clicked what is software testing. So he healed himself. That's great. Great job.
So now guys, let us execute the complete program. So we run Python run tests. Okay. And now we give it a sentence. So let's make it a big sentence. So go to about us page and now navigate to web elements page, then go to articles page and open article. What is system testing? Let's see if he can handle this big sentence. Okay. First of all, we get the plan. So, okay, from home, go to about us. From about us, he will jump to web elements. From web elements, he move to articles. So from articles, he will open what is system testing. Great job. So now we have the path. So let's see how it will do with the execution. So we will close it so he can continue. He opened the page, he clicked about us, great. Then move to web elements, great job. Then articles, well done. Then he opens what is system testing article. So our program is working perfectly. Exit. Thank you guys for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao.